Those who completed 20 go to 21st. Those who have completed 20. It is a different one, but one of the earlier problems you were doing it this way. What problems from 11 to 15 you are doing? No, sorry, 14, 15 only you are doing, right? 14, 15, 15, 17. It is on the same time. Abhijit, so you will get like dishonest shopkeepers. All these problems are asked always. Okay, Abhijit, a dishonest shopkeeper promises to sell his goods at its cost price. Okay, he's promising I will sell it at cost price. Whatever I buy, I'll sell it the same rate. But he uses 960 grams weight instead of 1 kg. Find the profit percent. You are going to assume again here. He's telling I will sell it at cost price, but he is going to reduce some amount and then sell it as 1 kg. So what is this profit percentage? Okay, 20 all done. Let us discuss 21st. I'll teach 21st. After that, you do the remaining. Okay. So now here they're speaking about 960 grams. So it is almost near to a kg. So let us imagine this as like 1000 grams. Okay. Here we do not know the cost price of it. Let us assume that 1 gram equal to 1 rupee. So it is equal to 1000 rupees. Cost price is 1000 rupees. Okay. Cost price is 1000 rupees. Okay. What is this actual cost price? Yes. Actual cost price is 1000 rupees is telling. Okay. I'm getting it at 1000. I'm going to sell it at 1000. This is what he is claiming to do. But in reality, what is he doing? He's selling only 960 grams. It means how much rupees? 960 rupees. Now, what does this 960 rupees become? Cost price. Cost price. How? ये कितना बेच रहा है? He is getting 1 kg at 1000 rupees, but he is only selling 960 grams for every customer. It means the 960 rupees is his cost. 960 rupees is his cost, right? At what price is he selling? 1000 rupees. This becomes his cost price, new cost price. This becomes his new selling price. New selling price, right? This becomes his selling price. Now, what is the profit that is making? 40 rupees. 40 rupees. Now, what is the profit percentage? 40. What is it? Yes, 0, 0 cancels. 4 cancels how many times? 4 cancels how many times? 24. This is 25. This is 6. 4 6 are 24. 4 25 times are 100. So 25 by 6. What is 1 upon 6? What is 1 upon 6? What is 1 upon 6? 16.66%. Okay, fine. Now if it is 16.66%, how much is 25 by 6? It's going to be 4.66%, right? Or like 4.16%. 4.16%. Okay, 4.16%. This is the profit percentage. So here you will be having options. You need not sit and calculate. Obviously, whichever is closer value to 4, 4.1, 4.2, you can mark that. Okay, understood? It's the same thing what you did earlier, but you're just making it as 1000 grams or like 1000 rupees. Dishonest shopkeeper is always asked in any exam. From first to last, I am using the same formula. What is percentage, profit percentage, loss percentage, what is profit, what is loss, what is selling price, what is cost price. Same formula only I'm using. I'm not changing anything here. Only 3 formulas. Remember it for the methods keep changing. Note down the methods in a separate sheet. Fine. Copied it. Okay. 23rd, 24th, 25th. Yeah. From 22nd, 23rd, 24th. All you do it. 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 you leave it. 20 until 24 you do. Abhijit is a dishonest shopkeeper, sells his goods on cost price. He promises to sell his goods on cost price, but he uses 20% less weight. Find profit percentage. What is 20% less percentage? 20% minus means how much you get? 800. 22nd is 25%. What is 23rd? 50%. 24th, Amit, a dishonest shopkeeper, promises to sell his goods at 44% loss, but he uses 30% less weight. Find the loss percentage. Yes. What's 24? Same, no? What's difficult? Okay, let us tell the cost price is 1000 and they are telling that he promises to sell his goods at 44% loss. Okay, don't worry, I will sell it at 44% loss. So he's telling that I will sell it at what? What is he promising to sell it at? 44% loss means 560, right? 560. But he uses 30% less weight. Means he's only reducing 30%. Means how much? He's reducing 300. The actual cost is around 700. So this is going to be the cost price. This is going to be the selling price. So what is the difference? What is the loss difference? 140. So 140 divided by 700 to 100. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 0. This is going to be cancelling with this. It's going to be 20%. Fine. Same. Nothing changes. You just need to analyze the question properly. Same type only. Whenever dishonest comes, directly start doing it. Okay. 25th. Let's see like how many are able to get it. Krish sells his goods at 20% profit. Okay. Had he purchased it for 10% less and sold it at rupees 18 less, then he would gain 30%. Find cost price. Find cost price. This sells his goods at 20% profit. Again, assumption. Imagine that is actually buying the goods at 100 rupees. What is it telling? I'm going to sell it at 20% profit. Okay? Okay. 20% profit he got. But they're telling if he had purchased the goods at 10% lesser price, means from 100 the cost price has dropped to 90. If he has purchased at 90 rupees, then he would have gained 30%. Then the profit would be additional 30%. So it is nothing but 30% of 90, 27. So it becomes 117. They're telling sold it at rupees 18. Means what is the change in percentage that you need to calculate? Ratio 18 rupees and find out cost price. Easy one. See, it is easy only, not difficult. Same thing you're doing. Nothing is changing. Okay. Chris is here. His cost price, let us assume it as 100. Okay. What is it telling? He is selling his goods at a profit of 20%. 20% profit means his actual selling is 120. Okay. Had he purchased it for 90, so his cost price is dropping by 10%. So his cost price, new cost price is 90. If he had purchased it for 90, and he would have gained 30% profit. In this case, 30% of profit is nothing but 27. Okay, 30% of 90 is 27. In this case, 90 plus 27 is nothing but 117. Okay. So it at rupees 18 less, then he would gain 30%. Now find the cost price. Now, what is the change in ratio here? 3. So 3 are equal to 18. 1 are equal to 6. Now they're asking you to find the cost price. So 100 are equal to 600. So two different cases are combining together. Then the same thing is for the next two problems. These are your 6 different methods. Last one different method is that is for your discounts that we will be doing. Okay, I'm just taking it as for simplification purpose. If you want to take 100,000, 10,000, whatever is easy for you, take it. Assumption only no. Assumption you can do it whatever you want. Okay, let it be 100,000, 10,000 as per your wish. You can take it. I am taking for my convenience. That's all. Fine. Copy it. And now 26 and 27 are similar problems. Okay, I've just mentioned the numbers there. Just replace the numbers with whatever names you want. Okay, so you can tell Purvi sells her goods at for 10% profit. Had she sold it 20% lesser, had she purchased it for 20% less and sold it rupees 20 more, then she would have gained a profit of 40%. Find the cost price. Okay, whatever statement you want, you put it there. Just copy these two questions as your homework and complete it. Okay, so what all different methods we saw today? The first one is direct selling price, cost price. You need to analyze it. What is profit? What is loss? What is profit percentage? What is loss percentage? From question number 1 to question number 27, everything was worked up based on ratios. 5 different methods. First one is to find out your percentage profit, percentage loss. This next one is to find out based on the ratios. Based on the ratios, you need to find out the percentage profit, percentage loss. One important point to remember is whatever 100% goods you're purchasing, you should be selling 100%. You cannot sell 50%, 60%. Okay. The third method was for assumption. Assumption, you're assuming for 100. What is the increase in profit? Loss? 99 rupees, 99 more. After that, we saw about the articles, where article cost was increased, decreased. The last one, upcoming 1000 grams. Okay. Write it down in a separate sheet. Keep it handy. Name the heading as profit and loss and keep it as a sheet. All during your exam, go through this sheet and different types, and in the same way, do it for other subjects. Okay.